Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can see the Instagram posts which you have liked. I mean, sometimes we all forget to save a post that we like, but we tend to like, but we forget to save it. And it was a really like high demanding request of many people. Like this request was like on high demand that you want, like we all want like a separate panel where all the posts that we have liked get stored. So now with the recent update of Instagram, you can do it, and it's pretty easy, honestly. All you have to do is that obviously have an Instagram account and then click on Instagram and head to your profile. I mean, if you don't have any post likes, so you won't see any posts in that section. So let's just like a few posts now, a few these and these and these. Anyway, all you have to do next is head towards your profile page, click on the top right corner, which is the three dash lines, and then you can see the second option under settings, which is your activity. You're going to click on that, and then there's a series of categories that will appear right in front of you, and you have to just go directly into interactions. Over here, you can see the comments you have made, the likes you have made, story replies, reviews. So just click on likes, and these are all the posts that you have liked from the start to the recent one that you have just done a second ago. So, yeah, I mean, it's a pretty cool feature now that we have it. It, it will become like really handy for us. So, yeah, that's all from this video. I hope you like it and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, more shortcuts, more ways, more hacks, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post a video. Take care of yourself, guys. Peace.